Let's go, boys. It's a little bit cringe starting off. So far, I'm gonna go make a video about playing with my dog right here. So if you don't know, don't ask about this, because what happened was that you know that wardrobe. I'm making a video. Anyways, you know that wardrobe that used to be here, right? Is gone. Okay. Planning on getting a new one pretty soon. Cause that one's like really old and about to rot, so it's alright. Anyways, this is a video about playing with my dog. Me playing with my dog, Now here's the thing that I like to do with these balls. No, hold on. Here's the thing that I like to do with these balls. I like for her to be like right there, and then I throw a ball in the air or like bounce it or something, and then he's like. Anyways, let me try to do that again, because that time it didn't work. And I might even do something else with these balls. These little, whatever these are, tennis balls. Hey, Gypsy. Come on. Hold on. Yeah, see, that's what I like. It's nice. Hold on. Hold on, let me try something else. Ah, I just spit all over myself. Ah, that's cringy.